Hey guys, it's Andrew Murray here, and what I want to do is show you how to manage your iTunes subscription. So say that you've accidentally subscribed to something, or there's something that you want to cancel. Just type in iTunes subscriptions, and you'll see the first thing that comes up is going to be about the subscriptions. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to give you the support article, and there'll be a link right here to manage your subscriptions. And so it's going to actually open iTunes, and then you'll see the subscriptions that you have, right? So certain ones here, this one is has been canceled because it expires. So it's already been canceled, but you're going to have until the end of that billing period to continue to use it. So this one, the billing is coming up January 4th. So I'm going to cancel this. So you could actually change, to one of these different options, or you can just go right to cancel. Okay. And again, if you cancel it, you're still going to be able to access it to the end of the trial period, just so you know. And then we'll click done. And we'll go back here so you can see your active subscriptions. All right, so I hope that was helpful. If you need to cancel any subscriptions in iTunes or from the Apple Store, from iTunes, that's the easiest way to do it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks.